Welcome to another M+ training video, door line sash welding. We start the process by selecting the profile component pieces and scanning the label and checking the screen details. Whilst checking the screen details, we enter the configuration and the size to the control panel of the quad welder. Next, we select and place the left and right legs onto the multi-head welder base plates, pushing them up to the V-notch cutouts. Secure the leg pieces into place. Select the right transom piece, check its rotation and place into position. Once everything is clamped, start the welding process. Whilst this is happening, select the reinforcing lengths and push halfway up the cavity. When the heat plates raise, push the reinforcing the remainder of the way. When the welding process is finished, check the reinforcing position against the slots. Screw the reinforcing into place, ensuring they're to M+ standards. When all the screws are in place, remove the newly formed H section and place onto the quad welder. Select the head and base component parts, checking their rotation and placing them into position. Small adjustments may be needed. Start the welding process and wait. When the welding sequence has finished, remove the freshly formed sash and place onto a rubber mat ready for the next stage.